Good morning to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel Brainy Knowledge, and today I am here with a new topic, Census 2011. So let's begin. About census. Census is conducted by the Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. तो इसको करता कौन है? रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एंड सेंसस कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया. कौन से मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आती है? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स. फर्स्ट कंप्लीट सेंसस इन इंडिया. पहली कंप्लीट सेंसस कब हुई? 1881 में. All the censuses are conducted under the 1948 Census of India Act. Now, who is known as the father of Indian census? Henry Moultrie is known as father of Indian census. Currently, अगर हम प्रेजेंट की बात करते हैं, श्री मृत्युंजय कुमार नारायण assumed the charge as Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. So next, we discuss is about census 2011. Census of India 2011 was conducted in two phases. दो phases में इसको conduct किया गया. First was house listing and housing census from April 2010 to September 2010, and the second is population enumeration 9th February 2011 to 28th February 2011. It was the 15th census of India. कौन सी census थी ये? 15th census, and started on 1st April 2010 with president being the first citizen to be counted and vice president being the second. First citizen कौन count हुए? President, और second vice president. The slogan of census 2011. 2011 census का slogan क्या था? Our census, our future. Now, C. Chandramouli was the Census Commissioner of India 2011. At that time, Census Commissioner कौन था? C. So now, friends, let's discuss some statistics about Census 2011. The population of the nation as per the provisional figures of census is 1210.19, 1210.19 million, of which 623.7 million, approximately 51.4% are males, and 586.46 million, approximately 48.46% are females, and this population contributes 17.5% to the world's total population. इंडिया की जो टोटल पॉपुलेशन है, it contributes to the 17.5%. The overall literacy rate in India, literacy rate कितना है? 74%. The literacy rate of males are 82.14% and that of females is 65.46%. The population density of India as per census 2011 is 325 persons per square kilometer. The sex ratio of India as per census 2011 is 933 females per 1000 males as compared to 943 according to census 2001. And the next is the child sex ratio of India as per census 2011 is 927. So friends, first comes about the population. According to census 2011, the urban population contributes 31.2% to the Indian population and rural population contributes to 68.8%. तो इंडिया में अर्बन पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? 31.2% and rural population is 68.8%. Now moving on to the statistics. State having highest population is Uttar Pradesh. State having lowest population is Sikkim. Union territory having highest population कौन सी है? That is Delhi. And Union territory having lowest population is Lakshadweep. So friends, next comes the decadal growth rate. So decadal growth rate, how you can calculate? By taking difference of current population and past population and dividing it by the past population multiply by 100. Using this formula, you can calculate decadal growth rate of any country. Now moving to the statistics, state having highest decadal growth rate is Meghalaya of 27.9%. State having lowest decadal growth rate is Nagaland of minus 0.6%. It's negative. Now next is Union Territory having highest decadal growth rate is Dadar and Nagar Haveli of 55.9%. And next is Union Territory having lowest decadal growth rate is Lakshadweep of just 6.3%. So friends, now let us move to the population density. Population density is calculated as total population divided by total area. मतलब जितनी आपकी population है, जनसंख्या है, उसको आप area से divide कर दोगे तो आपको population density मिल जाएगी. It means total population in persons and area in kilometer square. तो persons per kilometer square is the population density. Now moving to the data of states and union territories. State having highest population density, जिसकी highest है, सबसे ज़्यादा है, that is Bihar of 1106 persons per kilometer square. State having lowest population density is Arunachal Pradesh of just 17 persons per kilometer squares. Union territory having highest population density is Delhi, which is 11,320 persons per kilometer square, and Union territory having lowest population density is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is just 46 persons per kilometer. So friends, now next comes the sex ratio. So how to calculate sex ratio? That is number of females divided by number of males multiplied by thousands. Using this formula, you can calculate the sex ratio of any country. Now moving to the data of sex ratio, state having highest sex ratio, where the main number of females are highest. It is in Kerala of 1084 females per 1000 males. Next is state having lowest sex ratio is Haryana of just 879 females per 1000 males. Union territory having highest sex ratio is Puducherry having 1037 females per 1000 males. Then the last is Union territory having lowest sex ratio, that is Daman and Diu of just 618 females per 1000 males. So friends, now next moves to the child sex ratio. Child sex ratio is calculated as number of girl child in the age group of 0 to 6 years divided by number of boy child in the age group of 0 to 6 years and multiplied by 1000. So by this formula, you can calculate the child sex ratio. So now moving to the data, state having highest child sex ratio is Arunachal Pradesh, having 972 girls for 1000 boys. State having lowest child sex ratio is Haryana of just 834. Union territory Kendra Shashit Pradesh having highest child sex ratio is Andaman and Nicobar Islands of 968, and the next is Union territory having lowest child sex ratio is Delhi of just 871. Now friends, moving forward to the urban and rural population according to census 2011. State having highest urban population, वैसा स्टेट जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा अर्बन पॉपुलेशन है, that is महाराष्ट्र. State having lowest urban population is Sikkim. Union territories की बात करें तो Union territory having highest urban population is Delhi and Union territory having lowest urban population is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now moving to the rural population, state having highest rural population is Himachal Pradesh and state having lowest rural population is Sikkim. देखिए सिक्किम में both urban and rural दोनों ही lowest है. So friends, now moving on to the literacy rate. लिटरेसी रेट कैसे निकाला जाए? नंबर ऑफ लिटरेट्स डिवाइडेड बाय 7 प्लस पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द गिवन एज एंड दैट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला you can find the literacy rate. In census 2011 only Kerala was declared as the full literate state. कोई भी illiterate person नहीं है केरल में. Now moving on to the statistics. State having highest literacy rate is Kerala. State having lowest literacy rate कौन सा state है? That is Bihar. Union territory having highest literacy rate UT की बात करें तो that is Lakshadweep. And Union territory having lowest literacy rate, जिसका literacy rate सबसे कम है, that is Dadar and Nagar Haveli. So next comes the scheduled castes population. Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, these two states have no scheduled caste population. कोई भी scheduled caste इसमें present नहीं है. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, these two union territories have no population of scheduled caste. Now moving to the statistics, state having highest scheduled caste population, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा scheduled caste लोग रहते हैं, that is उत्तर प्रदेश. State having highest population percentage of scheduled caste is Punjab. Union territory having highest scheduled caste population, that is Delhi, and Union territory having highest population percentage of scheduled caste is Chandigarh. So friends, next and last for today comes the scheduled tribes in census 2011. So first let us discuss कि किन किन states और UTs में STs की population नहीं है. हरियाणा and Punjab have no scheduled tribes population, as well as Delhi, Chandigarh and Puducherry have no population of scheduled tribes. Now moving on to the statistics, state having highest ST scheduled tribes population, ऐसा state जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा STs की population है, that is मध्य प्रदेश. State having highest population percentage of scheduled tribes, that is Mizoram. And next, Union territory having highest scheduled tribes population, UT की बात करें तो लक्षद्वीप में सबसे ज़्यादा है and दादर and नगर हवेली में सबसे कम है. Union territory having highest population percentage of scheduled tribes, दादर and नगर हवेली. So friends, I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.